So I've had the C8 Z06 for a little bit of time now. It's not brand new anymore, but I'll admit, I still have the protective factory film piece over the instrument panel in the car. And yeah, I need to take that off and put a proper screen protector on there. So we're gonna be putting something in there that not only protects, but acts as a anti-glare film. So we're gonna check all of that out in today's video. So thanks for tuning in, guys. So like I said, we are going to be putting some screen protectors to the instrument panel and the infotainment display inside the C8 Z06. And the product we're going to be using to do that comes from a company called Screen Protect. Now, Screen Protect, if you guys have been part of the channel for a bit of time, you guys know that I've used Screen Protect on my old C8 Stingray. It's a really awesome product, does exactly what it's supposed to do in regards to protect your screens from any kind of scratches that could happen from either keys or whatever. But on top of that, their product actually has the added benefit of being an anti-glare film, which is going to be absolutely insane on the hardtop convertible when you have the top down, the sun's glaring into the cabin, and sometimes that reflection from the sunlight makes it that you can barely see anything on there. But using this special screen protector with the built-in anti-glare is gonna make a huge difference. So they've been a long-time sponsor for the channel. I love their products. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. Well, it's more like a cylinder, but you get what I mean. Alrighty, let's take a look at what we got in this cylinder here. So again, like I said, Screen Protect, they make these screen protector films that go onto your car, and doesn't have to be like a C8 Stingray. It can actually be any car that you have. They actually make these films custom template cut for your display specifically. So whether it's a C8 Corvette or Toyota Corolla or whatever kind of car, Nissan GTR, they cover pretty much every single car out there that you have in regards to it's already cut. All you got to do is just clean the area, apply the film, and you're done. So really good stuff there. So, all right, looking at what you get in this kit, and this is a standard kit that they come with, where you can get either a single or double copy of your screen protector films in case something goes wrong with the first initial install, even though most times nothing will because it's that good. And they usually retail for around $50 or so, which is pretty good for a proper screen protector that you can either get in a clear film. I should state that you can get it in a clear HD film, which so it's almost like it's not even there, or you can get the anti-glare film, which is what I have here. So opening this up, again, like I said, I have two separate films because I got a double order just to have a backup just in case, which is right here. I'll just spread this out here for a second. And then it comes with a little applicator spray that already has like a little bit of soap. All you have to do is just add some water to this, and then you can use the applicator. And then it comes with a very nice microfiber towel that also comes with a little squeegee. So perfect little squeegee in order to be able to do this application. I generally like to use a little bit of a bigger squeegee like this one here because I do my vinyl wraps and such. So I just happen to have a little bit bigger one, but this little one, if this is all you're gonna work with, works just fine. And the microfiber towel is actually really good quality. So this will be great in order to not only just clean the surface beforehand, but just even afterwards, aftercare kind of deal. And if you're wondering what to clean the actual area beforehand, any kind of interior cleaner, I have chemical guys, like Total Interior Cleaner, that works really well. Any of these is going to work well. In the end, you're going to be using this applicator, which is just soapy water. It applies just like you would window tint. So you're basically going to saturate the area with this and then saturate the back of these films and then apply just like a sticker. Now I know it's probably not getting caught as well in the camera, basically because it's just a clear film on a white backing, but essentially you have here is these are actually cutouts all along this section. Is kind of, like I said, it's kind of difficult to see. I'm sure the camera is not capturing this at all, me trying to show this, but all you're gonna do is basically peel these off and then apply it on just like a sticker and just squeegee out all the excess. So, and that's ultimately what you got here and all you need in order to get this job done. So we're gonna go ahead and install this on the car and show you how it looks with this anti-glare screen protect film from screenprotect.com. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing the anti-glare films from screenprotect.com on the C8 Z06 and they are working perfectly. Now I have the car positioned in a way where with the sunlight, it's hitting directly into the car, kind of simulating if I had the car top down, how it kind of look, and the glare is significantly reduced. It's not gonna obviously get rid of all the different glare that you can get, but it is so much better than what it was before, because without it, it'd be just a huge reflection. You really wouldn't be able to see anything. But how it's set up now, I can confidently see my nav screen, my instrument panel, and just be able to see exactly what's on the screens, especially if I'm trying to get directions to a certain place that I haven't been before. And an additional thing that I forgot to mention before is that it's also resistant to fingerprints on the screens. So in general, especially, you know, on your nav screen, you're touching it and all that kind of stuff, is not leaving a ton of fingerprints that you're having to always constantly clean if you want that to look really, really, you know, clear and such. So that's another added benefit to it. Now, the install, again, as you saw in the video, was really, really easy. I will say, if it's not clear in the how-to part of the video, that the instrument cluster cutout piece is actually a little bit larger than the actual cluster section screen, and that's done on purpose. That's done so that you can slide the actual piece into the back edges so that you get a completely full look. So you have to kind of work with the film in order to slide it up into the spots on the top section, and then you can slide it down into the bottom section and it'll fill the whole entire screen area, instead of trying to have it absolutely millimeter perfect on all the edges. It actually kind of overlaps on purpose. So something to keep in mind when you're doing that install. The very first time I ever did it on my Stingray, I didn't realize that, and I was playing around thinking, wow, this is really badly cut. No, it's done on purpose, so just something to keep in mind. But overall, really, really cool product for a really good price. I'll have links in the description so you can check it out for yourselves. I think it really, really works very nicely, especially for the C8 Corvette, but honestly, any car that you have, they custom cut it to every single kind of screen that you have on your car, kind of deal. So they just do a phenomenal job. I really, really just do like this product so much. And if you are looking for more information about like the HD version, the clear version, I did do a thorough video on my Stingray, and I compared the two different versions between the anti-glare and the actual regular HD film version. If you're interested in that video, I'll have it right here so you could check it out. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.